Looking live outside, it is a nasty morning. You see live on our Lancaster Skycam. I was actually trying to show you the pictures of the flag on the convention center. Our master control operator, Fred Singer, couldn't get to them because they took the flags down. Good move there. It is just a whipping morning out there and just really not feeling pretty nice. 43, and look at the wind. Southeast now. Southeast, yeah, they've switched from the northwest to the northeast. Now they've come all the way around the storm to the southeast at around 18 miles an hour. It is just a nasty morning out there. So for today, a raw, windy, chilly day, rainy at times, rain moderate. It won't be the extreme tropical type rains like we had yesterday, but still we're going to get some pretty good rains at times. I wouldn't be surprised if we get another inch of rain today, and that aggravates things. There could also be some snow showers in there, and I know that aggravates some folks too. Rain or wet snow showers a possibility tonight. We're not getting accumulation, folks. 30s to around 40 degrees. Tomorrow, 40s. A brisk, chilly day, mostly cloudy. Again, a few scattered showers or some flurries around parts of the Susquehanna Valley. Temperatures low 40. Look at New Freedom now, 39. 39 at Westminster. I came in, it had been in the 50s. We really slid this morning as some of this precipitation has gotten going. Look at the winds. Again, coming out of the southeast and southwest around that storm center. I just checked some of the pressures. Hagerstown, Maryland was the lowest I could find at 27.89. So it's down there, no doubt about it. It looks like that's where the storm is centered, somewhere between Chambersburg, Gettysburg. But those winds are still howling out there. In fact, the wind gusts are still up around 30, 31 in Harrisburg and Carlisle, 30 in York, Lancaster at 24. So still somewhat precarious in terms of those wind gusts out there. Here's that heavier batch of rain that we've been watching now, backing its way through Hanover into parts of Adams County and up toward Carlisle. The computer see these pink shades, it's starting to think, well, maybe some snowflakes mixed in. We saw those 30s out there. Wouldn't doubt if you're driving down 83, some of the high spots down around Shrewsbury, you're seeing a few snowflakes, real heavier snow back into West Virginia. You can kind of see the circulation all around the storm right over us. And we pull on out, look at the expanse of that storm. The circulation way offshore, all the way up into Quebec, back to Chicago and St. Louis and Atlanta and up through Raleigh-Durham. That is just a huge storm, and it's centered right over us this morning. So that has to just get out of here, right? Oh, okay, it'll be out of here in the next couple of days. No, it's lost its steering winds. There's nothing around it right now, so it's going to take a little while to get it out of here. Rain or snow showers, and sometimes we'll get these bands of rain coming through around the circulation. You see the circulation starting to head back off to the north and west as we go through tonight and tomorrow, but still we'll be underneath its circulation the next couple of days. So a lot of clouds, still gusty winds, chilly winds, and occasionally some showers will be out there. And it's cold enough for a loft. Only up at about 4,000 or 5,000 feet. It's below freezing. And that means it could be even some wet snowflakes mixed in. Here's the predictor showing the winds in that 20 to 30 mile an hour range this morning. We'll start to see them slackening a little bit later on today and then calming down some, but still kind of brisk and chilly overnight tonight. Certainly chilly today. We're in the 40s and we're not going anywhere. It may go up or down a degree or two here and there, but not really far. 30s overnight tonight, 40s, maybe near 50, a little sun off to our south tomorrow, but just not a very nice 7-day forecast. Rainy and windy, at times some wet snowflakes mixed in. 40s today, tomorrow, near 50 on Thursday and Friday. In fact, a little disturbance coming through. Can't rule out a shower on Friday. It actually reinforces some of the chilly air, so it stays kind of cool despite some sunshine. Over the weekend does look a little better, though.
Yeah, I see some sun. I like this.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Sun there in your
feels like it anyway.
graphics.
Real nasty day out there, that's for sure.
Yeah, I feel for the crews out there reporting all this and all the emergency people responding.
Job,
yeah.
doing a very good job.
All right, Jen, thank you.